Welcome back to another video, and today I'm showing you the chickens and all my farm animals. So we don't really got that much. We got chicken right there, the rooster right there, another one right there. We don't have that much. We just got chicks. Where are the chicks? Yeah, they're over there. Let me get over here. See, they're right there in that corner. There's two blacks and a white. And yep. So there's that many chickens. This is gonna be kind of short because I don't have that much farm animals. And then let's see, I got Reyes pig. Bruno, like, who calls a pig Bruno? And then there's my pig, Jigaboo Joe, who's an absolute beast because he has no ear. And he spilt his water. And then this is where we shower them. So, yep. That's about it. We just got our pool installed, so yeah. And then my boy Maddox Word, Swimmy Timmy Outdoors, lives over there. He lives right next to me. And he has his cows and calves. Whatever. So yeah. This is short, so yep. See you in the next video.